Pythonic way of raising an error within the try block. I have a method that checks something and which can raise an exception itself, return true, return false. I want catch the exception properly to raise one myself, but also if the test returns false. The incorrect way to do this is as the first my exception is caught after the except again. One way to handle this properly would be, is this the only way of dealing with this situation, or is there another way to handle it more efficient, getting rid of the flag variable?
You should never use except, because that catches all exceptions, including system exit. You should probably do. If the exception coming from check is the same as the one you want to raise, you should change that. Edit. If the exception is the same, you can also simply do this. Mark Byers had this in his answer, but it's gone now. This will propagate the exception or raise if false.
In Python 3.3, you can use the new context_lib.exit stack context manager. This will raise my exception, unless you clear the stack callbacks with pop_all. You can codify this as into a custom context manager.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.